Hey y'all. All right. It is late. It is late, but it is still Sunday. mm. Ah, okay. I'm having a few computer issues, so you will see the Penny Pages Advent Calendar reveal of day 24 through 21 sometime this week. But look what I've got. Ta-da! Ain't it cute? Oh my gosh. Okay. Story time. Yo, story time. I saw this one last year and I wanted it. I wanted it. And I kept thinking about it and kept thinking about it, but I did not pick it up when I was in the store when I saw it. I talked myself into getting it, went back to get it, and the stinking little cutie was gone. Thankfully, they brought it back. So let's talk about the details. Okay, it is Diamond Art by Leisure Art, powered by Diamond Dotz. It's a stinking Diamond Dotz kit. Come on. It is $29.99 at Hobby Lobby. It is a full drill. Okay. It is 60% off, y'all. Now, again, let me tell you, it was $29.99 and it's 60% off right now. So if you love this stinking little cutie, run, don't walk, to your nearest Hobby Lobby or get on their website and find this before they sell out again. It is precious. I bought a few. I can say that because the person that watches these videos is not getting one of these. But two of my friends that do not watch my videos are getting this. So let's open her up and check her out. So it says it includes 23 dazzling gem colors. Okay? So it's 23 colors. Cool beans. Let's take a look at these dazzling gems. Crinkle time. Whew. I don't need that anymore. I'd never get them back in there. Got a kit. Woohoo. Yay, kit. But 50 million of them. So, but if you were just now finding me, I guess I could get it. So they have some baggies. I even used this baggie. They have a stylus pen that I do not use. They have wax right here. They have a tray, and they have a squishy to put on the pen to save your fingers. I use my pens. They're fatter. My hands don't cramp up like this. So, if you are just now getting into diamond painting, every single kit you get will have this unless you specify you don't want it. And very few shops will let you say, I don't want the kit. So you will end up with 50 million kits. Okay. Oh, nice. They do have some dazzling ones. I want to show them to you, I promise. Okay, so, and if you are new to diamond painting, Diamond Dotz has its own little code for colors. They are not the DMC numbers like Diamond Art Club. 5,000s are what we would call ABs. 8,000s are regular. So these are all 8,000s right here. You know what colors are, so I'm not going to insult your toes. Obviously, that's for the nose, because there's very little of it. I guess I could turn it over so you can, like, see the... That's it's a very pale gray. So that must be the shading. All right. Okay. Now, I'm looking. Here's the smaller one. So that's an interesting little color. It's not white, though. I like that color. You know that. Alright, so this should be 3. Yes, okay. Put that right there. Let me see if any of these are in the 5,000s. No, they're not. Okay. Now, these are interesting colors to have in here, but we're just going to trust it. And we will talk bad about it when I finish. If it is awful. Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Okay. So those are the beads. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now this canvas is not turpoline. It is regular old canvas. We're gonna grab, okay, so here's you some paperwork on how to, if you have not watched a YouTube video yet. We just kill a tree, you know, to kill a tree. Oh, he's so cute, and it's so little. It's little, which means that I might finish this one in like a few days, like a week. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Okay. So let's take a look at it. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. Okay, it is a 12 by 12, which means you can easily get a frame at any craft store for this. And it doesn't have to be a special. Oh my gosh. I want to start on this. Why do I want to start on this? I have others that are not done yet, but I want to start on this because it's so stinking cute. Let's see. All right, bright light alert. Oh, yes. And let me see if I can get you on down in here for a second. Now, I took auto off because it was jumping around so much. But do you see how they've got the little circle around the black number on the red? Perfection, y'all. That is what I need DAC to start doing. Because my eyes don't like black on red. I'm just saying. Oh, it's so stinking cute. Okay. Come on back up here to it. There we go. It's clear. And, yep, it's sticky. And there are just 23 colors. Wow. I bet I could knock this out. What do you think? I think I could knock this out. I really, really do. I love this. Isn't he cute? He's just a little marshmallow snowman hanging out in the latte. Wow, he's so cute. I just love it. And I don't know what else to say about it. He's cute. And they're clear, very clear, we will see if it is pixelated. It doesn't look like it's going to be terribly pixelated. I mean, you know, I just, he's so cute. So yeah, this is adorable. It's stinking adorable. If you want to go all the way out to the sides right here, it is 14.57 by 14.57, which is 37 centimeters. And see, you've even got your little image right here. But yes, I wanted this one. And now I have it. Oh, man. And now, I really kind of want to work on him. But I can't right now. But see, this one, you know, they call this a Christmas image. I just call this a winter image, y'all. This is just winter. And we're cold in January. We don't get cold right now. I mean, literally right now I'm sitting here in a pair of shorts. Shorts and a t-shirt, and the heat's not on. So, not needed. So, to me, I could work on this one in January and be okay with displaying him for a while because it's going to be cold in January. It's going to be really cold in January. All right, so I don't know. I'm tempted to work on him. Oh my gosh, he's precious. If you like him, like I said, run. Don't walk to your nearest Hobby Lobby. And if you don't have one near you, go to www.hobbylobby.com and pick him up. I mean, he was less than $15. You can't beat that. He's precious. Okay, so hopefully in my computer I can figure things out with what's going on with it. And I could find all the little advent calendar pieces that I need. And I can get that up and running soon, very, very soon. And yeah, until hopefully tomorrow. Not tomorrow, next time, but knock on wood, hopefully tomorrow. I will see you then. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.